just added another junction box. This one will allow power to come in from the circuit breaker outside and power both bedrooms. The first line comes down into Charlie's bedroom, or whatever, the second bedroom here, and powers this whole side of things. The other side powers the master bedroom, coming down through the closets and starting over here. Happy Halloween! It's the 30th of October and it's a Saturday. Finally, I have some daylight to run some branch circuits outside to my load center. I've got a lot of things connected up internally, but not to the load center. So I need to get both of these bedrooms connected to the load center, the office outlets, and all of the branch circuits in the kitchen for the small appliances and just the appliances. So I'm gonna get cracking on that. I'll see you at the load center. Guys, it's gonna be a short one today. It's the 1st of November and it's 36 degrees, it's cold. Dad was actually up here today, which is rare given it's a Monday, but he was helping me out yesterday and today. So let me show you what he's been doing today while I was at work. To anyone who's just looking at this, it won't look like anything, but there is a ton of nails and crap in the ceiling. Dad got that all ripped out. So that's project number 1. Project number 2, Dad got some cans hung up in this bar area. So that's project number 2. Here's a better shot of where those cans are. I've just got my desk temporarily set up here. Project number 3, getting dark. But Dad installed all the blocking all the way across so that blocking is restored all the way across both of these bedrooms, securing this end of the house's 2x10s. Last but not least, Dad gave things a sweep. The work site always gets messy, so he tidied up a little bit. You can see tools always just pile up everywhere. Even have a little tool bucket to make things easy to carry around now. That might be it. I'm working late tonight for my company, so I don't know that I'll get any more done today. But tomorrow, I'm gonna be wiring up those cans downstairs, getting them roughed in. So I think I'm almost done with electrical up here. There's only a little bit left. Let me show you. Yesterday's main project was getting this vent installed in the kitchen. It goes all the way through the roof, and of course, that's the vent for the kitchen plumbing stack. It's lined up so that I did leave this part unglued, so I can take this end piece off, cut it to length, and then run the drain down through the floor. But you can see it's centered with the window roughly, so that's roughly the right spot. That's where it's gonna have to go. So plumbing is done, which means I can finish the electrical in the kitchen, which you can see I started over here. I've roughed out the first small appliance circuit, which is all these. There's one more small appliance circuit on this side and there. And then all of these other little boxes are like dishwasher, garbage disposal switch, oven, and refrigerator. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for today. Just wanted to show you the progress. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday, the 2nd of November. Stay warm out there.